She put chopped garlic on a bandage. Here's what happened next. This is an interesting case, published on the social media networks by a woman who had an aesthetic problem. We are not going to talk about a miraculous drink that can change the way you look, but we are going to show you an effective homemade remedy for melting the ugly warts. We all know how unpleasant warts can be, no matter where they are located. Imagine if you have that thing on your nose? Oh no! People who have big warts on their face suffer a lot and have less confidence and self-esteem. But, fortunately, there is a natural solution for this type of problem. What are warts? Warts are caused by the humanoid papilloma virus or HPV. Warts usually tend to appear on your hands and feet, but it's possible you get a wart on your face, or as in this particular case, on the nose. Warts can disappear on their own in some time, but sometimes they don't disappear. According to this woman's testimony, she had a wart on her nose that looked like a cauliflower. She was so desperate about it and wanted to get rid of it by any cost. When she met an old friend, she told her about her problem and her friend said not to worry, because there is an old homemade remedy for removing warts. Her friend told her that this homemade natural remedy was used for many years by her grandma and had amazing results. After the conversation, the two friends went to the local bazaar and bought a lot of garlic. From the bazaar, they went home and her friend cleaned 1 clove of garlic and grinded it. Then, she put some of the grinded garlic on a small piece of cotton and she applied it on the nose wart. She secured it with a small bandage. Before she left, she told her friend to change the piece of cotton twice a day. The wart started to fade just after 5 days, much faster than a cosmetic surgery, from which she needed at least 2 weeks to recover. She is still afraid that the wart could appear again, and she checks the same spot every day for almost 3 months. But, there is no sign of the cauliflower wart. The return of the virus is not a rare case. But with a healthy nutrition, which strengthens the immune system, your body can have control of it. Garlic is a healthy, natural, antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial ingredient that helps your body to fight many diseases.